Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be February's BoxyCharm unboxing and try on. So this will be my last BoxyCharm video. I did just receive this box this week, so we will be unboxing and trying on this box, but this will be the last one because of recently letting you guys know that I am going cruelty-free. BoxyCharm does not only send cruelty-free products, so like I said, you will still see products on my channel that are not cruelty-free just because I can't throw away all of my makeup. I'm not fortunate enough to do that. And as of now, I'm only buying cruelty-free makeup. So with BoxyCharm sending products every month, I don't want to continue to generate all these products that may not be cruelty-free and add that to my collection when I'm trying to use everything up to get that out of my collection. And I'm only buying cruelty-free from here on. So even if a box comes with 4 cruelty-free items and 1 not, that's still a product that will be added to my collection that I don't want in my collection, you know? So this will be my last BoxyCharm video. We're gonna get right into this video. As I usually do, I will read the card to you guys and then we'll try on each product. This month's theme is Afterglow, and the first product we have is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This costs $24. And the information card says, indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara separates, coats, and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. So I don't know how to pronounce this tree that's in this section, but this tree extract sets volume while film-forming polymers lock your lashes in a perfect curl. So I have tried this like a long time ago when I was still receiving Ipsy, and they sent it in a travel version, and I just don't remember liking it. And what I remember about it, at least what I think I remember about it, this did not separate the lashes, it just made them clumpy, so we'll see about that. I do have a video coming letting you guys know a lot of brands that are cruelty-free and then brands that aren't cruelty-free and then brands that are cruelty-free but are owned by a company / brand that is not cruelty-free. Too Faced being one of those. So anyway, I'll be doing that video probably in a couple weeks, so stay tuned for that. The next product we have is a Pretty Vulgar highlighter. So as I was seeing on BoxyCharm's post, you were either going to receive the highlighter or the bronzer, and I wish I got the bronzer. The highlighter looks a little deep just for my skin tone right now. Actually, for some reason, I thought it would be a little too deep for me. Yeah, it looks a lot lighter in the pan, but when I swatch it, it comes out pretty deep. Pretty Vulgar is cruelty-free, and this is called Shimmering Swan. This does look really pretty. So that costs $32. The information card says, allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlighter. Infused with glow-loving, light-reflecting, and pearlescent pigments, this highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. I'm excited to try that. The next product we have, which I saw a lot of people be excited about, this is the Touch in Sol Noir Poreblum Primer. I have seen this on Sephora so many times. I've almost bought it so many times, so I have never tried this. This will be my first time trying this today. It costs $18, and the informational card says, create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch in Sol Noir Poreblum Primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. Alrighty. This next product I'm not excited about in any way. This brand is cruelty-free. This is Pharmacy, and this is their Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. I have cleansers, you know. Right now I'm using my Hawaiian Healing one that I love. So this is kind of and I feel like this is a product, just by looking at the bottle, that would break me out. This costs $22. The informational card states, soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. It is formulated with naturally derived ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, and a powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and licorice root. Oh boy. The next product and the last product is from Tristique, and it is a lip crayon. So this is their 2-in-1 lip duo. It features a luxurious lip soothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The color glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of soft, shiny color, and this costs $25. So the primer is on this end. This is really cute, and the lip is on this end. It's like a berry red color. I'm going to try on this primer. I will be using my fingers to apply this as I normally apply my primer. Definitely a little goes a long way. Upon first application, it seems kind of greasy to me, and I have oily skin. Oily combination skin. And as far as filling in my pores, we'll have to see once I add the foundation on top. But as far as filling in my pores, I have other primers that do a better job, so we shall see about this guy. I am going to go apply some foundation, do the rest of the face up until I need the highlighter, the lipstick, and the mascara. So I will be right back. Okay, now we are back to try the highlighter. I have everything on my face done. I did use a Pretty Vulgar blush to go along with the theme. So I'm just going to use my regular highlighter brush. And let's see if this is too dark for me. Ooh, it's not, and this is so pretty. On the cheeks, it actually looks like the color in the pan, but it was so weird. When I swatch it, it looks like it's going to be too dark for me. So I guess we will go in with the lip next. So we're going to go in with this little guy. Little lip primer. Okay, so I actually like the applicator of this lipstick. It is actually very easy to just go in and then line the lips and then apply the product. I don't like this shade of lip product on me personally. The formula feels really nice and sheer. It gives you that pigment. Obviously, this isn't going to stay on your lips when you do take a drink or eat something, but the color is pretty and it goes on very nice. Lastly, we're going to try the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is huge and this is really heavy. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't understand claims of it saying that it separates your lashes because it just clumps mine all together. And this wand is horrible. This is no, absolutely not. Okay guys, that's it for today's BoxyCharm video. I don't love this box, but like I said, this will be the last box that I'm choosing to receive anyway. I absolutely hate this lip color on me. I'm wiping it off as soon as this video is done. The mascara I tried to fix with the mascara that I am using currently, and I don't like that mascara. I knew I didn't like it. I was like, I'll try it again, but I knew I didn't like it. So that's just clumpy and weird, and the brush is weird, and I don't know how anyone can like it. The highlighter is so pretty. I love this so much. Now I'm excited that I got the highlighter in my box and not the bronzer. I'm sure the bronzer is beautiful as well, so I might have to check out Pretty Vulgar's website and see if I can order some stuff off of there. The primer, I guess now that I have my foundation on, my pores are blurred a tiny bit right here, but like nothing crazy at all. Today we are saying goodbye to BoxyCharm. We are saying goodbye, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if you enjoy my BoxyCharm videos that I will not be uploading them anymore, but it's just my choice with going cruelty-free. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I will link all of my other social media down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see everyone next video.